Merry Christmas, everyone! Welcome back to my channel, guys. It is Christmas Day today, and today's video I will be unboxing all these presents, well, my presents here. And so first off, before we do that, look at our Christmas decoration, guys. We are currently in my living room and it is amazing. So my mom has got me a whole chest full of presents. This time she wanted to bring this and she was very excited for it. And all of these presents she has filled for me. And I have also given her presents, however, this is for my opening. So you won't be able to see, but I might show you after. Anyway, first up, now from this, I am going to be choosing this one first. So this whole chest is full of presents from my mom. I do have other presents from other family and friends, however, they're all the way under this tree right here. However, this chest is all full of presents from my mum. First present. So first present, I've been given a Kiko Milano coloured lip balm. Now on to the next. I'll start putting them here. Would you just get a cup of tea? Okay. I'm going for this one. Pandora. Okay. I've been given some end charmers right there for my. So these go on either side of your Pandora bracelet to prevent all the other charms from slipping out, and they look really nice. On to the next one. I think I'm gonna go for this one. It's quite heavy as well. Very heavy. I've got a Christmas mug and bowl right here. It looks beautiful. You can see the design and everything. It's very nice. Onto the list here. On to the next present now. I've been given Galaxy Hot Chocolate Selection as one of my presents, which of course I will be using today. The whole day I'm going to try and finish all these 8 hot chocolates now in this mug as well. And also I did get another Christmas present for myself, which was a mug, but it was a Santa Claus with sunglasses. I will be showing you that later. However, I'm going to be using this definitely today. No. Okay, next one. We'll go with this one. Your presents are so hard to open. Oh my god! I've been given a lot of hot chocolate this year from my mum. Pure hot chocolate, it is Horlicks hot chocolate as well, and this one was Galaxy. I have got enough hot chocolate to last me until next year now at this point. Oh my goodness. Why are you telling me my presents? Stop telling me. I'm gonna go for this one. The presents can I open? Another hot chocolate. I've been given Celebrations Hot Chocolate Selection as well. So now I have Celebrations with Galaxy, Milky Way, Twix, Mars, Bounty, Malteser, Snickers and Galaxy in this one. This one pure Galaxy with Galaxy Caramel, Mint, Normal Plain and Orange. And I've been given Horlicks Hot Chocolate with original instant malt and chocolate malt. So I have 9, 25 packets of hot chocolate now. So this will last me enough until next year, Christmas, if I drink 2 a month. And now that I've got so much hot chocolate, I've got that one, this one, and this one now. There we go. On to the next present. I better hope it's not hot chocolate now. We'll go with this one. Another Pandora thing. Guys, I've been given a lot of hot chocolate so far, a lip balm, a mug, and a Pandora charm. Well, end charms, and now another Pandora bag. Let's see what's in here. I've been given a Pandora ring. It's the heart ring, the original, the classic. It looks beautiful, and I think I know why my mum bought this for me, as I did mention it maybe once or twice, however. It does fit, there we go. So that is the ring itself, it's the heart ring, and it's very, very nice. Thank you, Mummy, for my hot chocolates, for this Pandora ring that exactly fits, so well done for the measurements, and my mug. Now, on to the next one. I think I know what this is. I have been given 3 pairs of Christmas fuzzy socks, and they are huge. I cannot wait to wear these, and oh my god, there's reindeer on one, there's a nice white and red one, and a last one with cream and reindeers as well. It looks beautiful, and I cannot wait to wear these. I'm definitely using this today. I'm wearing it now. If I can open it. There we go, you can see reindeer here and reindeer, where's it gone? There we go. Now that I've got my fuzzy socks on, I still have 2 other pairs that my mum will probably take from me to wear today. However, they are amazing, and now we're going to put them right there. No. Anyway, on to my last present from my mum, this one. Now let's see and open what this one is. I see another Pandora bag right here. I think at this rate I'll have to bring my Pandora down from my room and now just put it here for my new collection. Anyway, let's see what's in this bag. I've been given a Christmas charm. This is actually a yearly ritual, it's the red one. However, my mum last year, she also got me a Christmas charm from Pandora, and it was the gold snow globe. I'll show you guys in my Pandora once I bring it down. But now I've been given a red one. So every year I can say, this was from 2023, this was from 2024. So now I've been given another Pandora charm. So far, let's do an update on what we've been given. We've been given socks.
There's one more.
And charms. There's one more gift. Oh my god, there's still one more gift. Somehow not in the chest, however, still more. I've been given 3 Pandora things, 3 hot chocolates, a mug, and a coloured bomb. And so now, let me just put that there. So I have been told by my mum as well, this is also a present, the chest itself. It is a very nice present, it is huge, and also it will be used every year now. Only for me. I'm never going to put any presents of hers in here. This is just mine, as it is a present for me, and it is huge. So now she has a thing of every year filling this whole chest up. So I've just been told by my mum, this is also another gift from her. However, it could not fit in the chest, so I'm going to be opening it separately. So it is an Amazon parcel, so it can be literally anything, as you can get everything on Amazon. I've been given another whole packet of fruit lip oils. There's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lip oils in this packet. This is another present, I'm guessing. Put that there. Oh. Anyway, where's that from? Oh my god, Mummy. So these are boots. Okay. Are they gonna fit me? That's the question. So I've been given boots from my mom, and I've been specifically told her that I wanted some heeled boots, and now I finally have been gotten them. They're right here, and now I'll be trying them on later, see if they fit or not. If they don't, I'm gonna make her pay for more, and we'll get some more boots. However, these are the boots. Of course, they would not fit in my chest, so they will go there. Onto the next one. Next present is from Umrik, my mum's friend and business partner. As you know, my mum does own a real estate and construction company called Burstall Homes, as I've mentioned many times before. And the construction side of it, Umrik handles it, and the real estate side of it, my mum handles it, as they are both business partners. And this is present from him. Let's see what he's got. He better give me something. I see the money coming in. Okay, so this is the box inside. Let's see. It went from a big box to a smaller box to now an even smaller box. It better not be a box inside this now. I see some brand. It says Tommy Hilfiger on it. Let's see what is inside this. I'm guessing by the box it will probably be a piece of jewelry, where there might be earrings, a bracelet, or... Oh wait, actually it says watches on the it says watches on the box. Okay, so it's a watch. Thank you so much, Umrik. This is actually the watch that I've been begging my mom not to buy me, but just I wanted to show her that this is a watch that I have been in love with for so long, and I eventually want to get. This is still my first step of a watch. I love it absolutely so much, but eventually one day I'd want to get the Rolex watch, but in a green dial and the green face as well. So this is a little step up to getting my Rolex one day. However, I absolutely love it, and this is actually funny because I may have gotten something similar for someone else, but okay. So here is how the watch looks. I still know that there is the plastic, however, I still want to wear it exactly when I first wear it and take it off. But here is the watch. I've been obsessed with this specific watch for ages, as it is green inside, and green is my favorite color. And yeah, the gold and the green really stands out, as my little charm here as well. Gold and green, gold and green. They're my good luck charms. And green, yeah, my green duvet. Everything I absolutely love. My favorite color is green, so I love everything in green. Now, on to the next. Now, this present is from Neha auntie and her whole family. Ria, as you've seen her multiple times in my videos, her family has given me this, so let's open it up. Wow. Okay. I've been given some Indian work. So this is a Sharara set. I've got Plaza, and I specifically love this bit here, the detail that goes here and at the bottom. I absolutely love it, and it is beautiful. And plus, I've got a new addition to my many Indian clothes collection now. So thank you so much to Neha auntie and the whole family. I definitely love this. Thank you, Ria. And I'm guessing we're probably going to be matching in a lot of things now, so we'll probably be wearing this together at one point. I very much like it, and thank you so much. I've also been given another outfit from them, so let's open this one. So it's another outfit, and it's a full-on Sharara, but it looks like a full-on Kagra, but it isn't. It's a Sharara, and this is the top. So it's very nice. Normally, I don't usually go for these things, but however, she knows that obviously I only get specific things that I like, and my mum kills me for it, as I have 10 of the same exact pattern. However, I'm now got a whole different color, as I don't have the purple, I don't have the grey, so I've got a whole collection of different Indian outfits. Thank you, Neha auntie, so much. I mean, I definitely love both of these Indian outfits that will now be in my collection. So I'll probably wearing it soon if you do a new function. You need to do something. So another thing from Neha auntie, this is for me and my mom. Apparently both we can share this thing. It's a Christmas present, so I'm going to be opening it on behalf of my mom as well. Oh, Oh my days, we've been given a Pandora as well from them. This one's for me. Okay, I can tell because this charm says February on it and it has my birthstone, amethyst, on it. So this is the birthstone, my birthstone, amethyst, and it is. So we've been given a hair drying brush and a volumizer, and this is for me and my mum both that we can use. However, I'm going to be using it more, as also I love the teal colour as well. So this is definitely mine, not hers. Anyway, so this is now a Christmas present. So we've been given, thank you so much, Nehandi. I definitely love both the Indian outfits for me, and this for me, and the charm for me, you know. All of these Christmas presents, I love them so much, and thank you so much. I'll definitely be using them. That is it for all my presents. Actually, wait, no. I bought a present for myself as well. Let me quickly show you guys. I wrapped it up because I wanted to have more presents. My mom's gonna kill me. We went to Boots and I really needed a curl defying brush. And when we came back from Foss Park, I thought I'd wrap a present up for myself just so that I, you know, can have a lot more presents to open. I wrapped this up myself, so it's not much of a present. I could have just put it upstairs, but I didn't. I wanted to put it under the tree. Anyway, that's it for all my presents. Sagar, tomorrow hai. Anyway, so Sagar still has to give me his present, but he's going to be coming later today to give me mine. So I will be showing you guys what I got from him as well. But this is my collection for 2024 Christmas. And yeah, hopefully next year. I think actually, and this, you can see my watch as well. But this is about it for everything. And now, these are my mom's presents, so I will be telling her what she's gotten, but she will be opening it after I end this video. So I guess this is the end, and I'll see you guys in any of my next videos. Bye!